Hey guys, welcome back to Live Paint with RAEART. We got ourselves a brand new canvas here. We're gonna go ahead and slap it down, make it funkin' delicious, and see what happens. Alright, stick to it, and let's do it. Today we're gonna do a fun, creative drawing. We're gonna go ahead and draw an eyeball. What is it? Turtle monkey. See how that just happened? Draw it away. Subsiding away. Can you see that? Alright, here we go. There it is, folks. Look what we just made. Eyeball crazy, man. Got something going on. Is that an ear over here? We're done. Let's get out the paints, boys. We're gonna go ahead and make a black and white cool looking picture. Let's go ahead and do that. For this I have a nice fine brush. It's pretty thick, it's about an inch thick bristles. It's a Winsor & Newton. It's very watery. Watch this. We're just filling in some lines. And we want different thicknesses of the black. So we're going to get some gray tones. You just kind of go around. Marking the territory. Fill in some where you think it should go. Go ahead and add a spray bottle to this. And get some more drips happening. There we go. Let's see what that does. Dip in some more black. I'm gonna highlight some key areas. Eyeball. And that's how you do a comic. Voila aussi. Now we could go ahead and add color if we wanted to after this. It's up to you. But I hope you had fun creating with me today. RAEART. www.raeart.ca. Thanks for tuning in, boys and girls.